Do you also feel that confidence is something only loud people get? Or you have to become the most energetic person in the room? But the reality is you don't need any of these traits. The real confidence is not about being loud, it's about being steady, calm and comfortable while being yourself. Today I am giving the ultimate confidence guide for introverts. In this video you will learn how to build confidence without losing your own identity, using your strengths, small habits and mindset shifts that actually works. Most people think confidence always means being loud, energetic and center of attention. But it is more like a performance than being confident. Real confidence is quieter. It is about being steady, calm and comfortable while being yourself, even when you are not the loudest in room. Confidence is not about perfection. You don't need to have the answer of every question or never feel awkward. Real confidence when nothing is going perfectly, but you know that you are fine and you can handle the situation. It's the ability to say, I might stumble, but I'll still keep going. Confidence is built through actions, not waiting. You don't become confident by only just thinking that, I can do anything. You become confident by doing the things which scares you, overcome that fear and prove yourself in your eyes. Every time you do it your confidence grows. For introverts confidence is not a big thing, you just have to be honest and present. You don't need to force your energy, you just need to show up and believe yourself. So, stop chasing loud confidence and start building real confidence, which is seen even when you are silent. Introverts often compare themselves with loud people, which makes them feel less confident. But you have to understand one thing, you are not weaker, you are just different from them. Your strength is not being loud, it is in your quietness, deep thinking, strong listening, focus and the ability to connect without needing to perform. Loud people talk to be heard, but introverts hear to understand. That makes you more trustful, more thoughtful, and more respectful, even if you don't realize it. People notice it and come to you again because you are real. Use your strengths carefully, lean into listening, ask good questions, let others talk and speak with clarity. Use your focus, go deep on one skill instead of jumping on many. Speak less but with clarity, make something meaning every time you talk. Don't try to be the one you is loudest, be the one who is clear, steady, and trustworthy. That's how an introvert can build confidence, not by copying others, but by using what they already have. Confidence doesn't come from big wins, it comes from small habits repeated daily. You need tiny, consistent actions to prove yourself that you can do it. Start with your body language, it makes you feel and look more confident. Stand tall, shoulders back and chin slightly up. Practice small eye contact, hold eye contact for 2 or 3 seconds, then look away slowly. Remove one social fear every day, say hello to one person, ask one question in a group or share a thought. You don't need to be perfect, just do it. Every time you do this, tell yourself that I did it, it's a proof that your confidence is growing. Also prepare for social situations, write down 2 to 3 questions to ask someone in a conversation. And journal for 5 minutes a night daily, what worked, what didn't, what to try next. It builds self-awareness and steady growth. Introverts have less energy, it's not their weakness, it's a fact. If you can't protect it, you will burn out easily, feel anxious and lose your confidence. Protecting your energy means setting boundaries, being prepared for the social situations and knowing when to push yourself and when to rest. Say no to the events that burn your energy, without adding a value to your life. You don't need to explain the reason of your refusal, just say I am not up for it, that's enough. Prepare for social situations, pick a time and choose a person to talk with. That gives you control. Also learn the push versus rest rule. Push yourself when there is a key conversation or a chance to grow yourself. Rest when it's optional, random parties, drama or endless scrolling. Your energy is your fuel, don't waste it on the things that don't push you forward. Also, it is important to take micro breaks, go outside for a walk, do meditation, or just sit quietly with yourself. These small resets prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Most introverts lose confidence because they compare themselves from loud people. They think they need to be more energetic and talkative. But this mindset is completely wrong. Real confidence comes from growing yourself as you are, not by trying to become someone else. Stop comparing yourself from loud people. Their style is not better, it's just different. Handle your awkward moments without shame. When you make a mistake while talking or doing anything, just say to yourself, it's okay and move on from that. Awkwardness happens with everyone and it's normal when you try something new. Speak with clarity instead of trying to talk loud. You don't need to be loud, you just need to be clear. As I told you already, say less but meaningful. When you speak something clearly, people listen more. You don't need to impress anyone, you just need to be real. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about being yourself, even if you are not perfect. This is it for the video. If it hits, remember this: confidence isn't about becoming loud, it's about becoming steady. You don't need to force energy or copy others. Real confidence for introverts comes from using your strengths, building small habits, protecting your energy, and reframing your mindset. Hit like if this helped, subscribe for more practical self-improvement every week, and tell me in the comments, what's one confidence habit you're starting this week?